This is 2 Minute Toots, where we show you a digital fashion tip in 2 minutes or less.
It's time for another 2 minute quick tip, and today I wanted to talk to you about how to move a pattern inside a sketch. Now, we've talked about this in this video, but I've never talked about how to do this in Photoshop. And if you're an illustrator or you're just starting out using digital tools, solid color is nice, but it's always fun to be able to add a pattern or a texture to your design. So, here's how you do it.
Open your sketch and make a selection to fill with your print. Using the adjustment layers, choose Pattern. Now make sure that you've saved the pattern you want to use before you get to this point, so that pattern will appear in the fill box. Once you choose the pattern, you can scale it so it looks proportional to the size of the sketch. And before you hit OK to get out of this mode, take a look at the placement of the pattern. One of the issues I have is that my patterns aren't always perfect repeats, and a seam shows up right in the middle of my sketch. So this is where it becomes really helpful to be able to move the pattern around. And all you need to do is move the cursor onto the sketch, click and hold and drag until you are happy with the placement. And for me, all I'm going to do is drag the pattern until I can hide the seam.
If you're unfamiliar with how to do the first steps of this tutorial, you can watch this video and it'll show you how to save your pattern and how to create the selection. It'll even show you an easy way to make a faux repeat. Thanks for watching this week's 2 minute quick tip. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this if you found it helpful. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time.